Hi everyone. I have Ganesh Kumar Purva with me, a running buddy of mine, and also the Global Voice Ambassador for Alert.
Hi, Kannan. Good evening. Yeah.
So why don't we start with a quick introduction, Ganesh? Please tell us more about who Ganesh is.
So I'm basically from Madurai, city in Tamil Nadu state, from India, and I have been in Bangalore for about 18 years now. Been working in IT industry for about 23 years. I'm married, have two kids. That's about me. I'm an avid runner as well. I've been running for 10 plus years now. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, because I know you as a marathon runner, so we have kind of come across in multiple events, and also I'm extremely happy to have received your support for the running campaign that I did for spreading awareness on road safety. So you have come and supported multiple times. So we had some good time running, and I think I distinctly remember the Hosur 100K that we did together was filled with a lot of fun. We were kind of moving around the entire day, uh, running from Bangalore to Hosur and then back to Bangalore. So when did you start running, and what's your connection with marathon running, Ganesh?
Sure, Kannan. I started running somewhere in 2010. I just started running to be a little bit fitter and healthier. And slowly over years, the running bug caught me. And so I have been running for about 10 years now, and gone from 10 kilometer to half marathon, full marathon. I even have done ultra marathon runs. Just to mention, I've done like 100 plus kilometers and 24-hour run as well, planned races. So apart from running for myself, I've done few things in running communities and the fraternities actually. So I'm a running coach actually, from ACSM, approved certification I've done actually. And I also have done yoga certification. I'm also a co-founder of one of the running group in Bangalore. It's called Team Miles Ahead. We are based out of Whitefield. We started somewhere with 4 people in 2013. Today we have around 200 plus people in the group, and we have been passing on this benefit of running to people and communities around us. Yeah, just to mention a few things.
Oh, that's some amazing work that you've been doing. And I guess there are a lot of beginners, absolute beginners, starters to ultra marathon running. I think the group is really a great place for anybody to come and learn and also have some good fun, I guess.
Yeah,
how about your family, Ganesh? Are they also into running? Is your family, is your wife, children, are they? Did the bug get them to?
That's a good question, Kannan. I will share a few things quickly. So none of them run currently, but then my wife walks for about few years now. I bought a treadmill for myself, but I don't enjoy treadmill running anymore. So my wife uses treadmill. That is one thing, good thing actually. And my son is 13 years old now. He plays cricket as a sport at school and academy. But then he has got the bug of working out very much like me. And so I enjoy seeing he and my daughter together, they work out without me actually. They just start the workout, they do the workout. That's how it is today. I'm very happy about it. Yeah.
Okay, beautiful. So the kind of healthy family, everybody is like doing things that they really like doing, like walking and playing. It's always fun. Now, Alertathon, as you know, is an awareness running event. It used to be a running only event, but this year it has taken up a different avatar. We've decided to go global, reach out to a lot of people inside as well as outside of India, and spread the awareness of saving lives, the importance of learning first aid and CPR. Alert has been an NGO which is kind of very keen on developing different ways and also adapting different techniques to reach out to people and spread the awareness on the importance of first aid topic. And I've been their volunteer since 2016. And I'm also extremely happy to have your support this year coming in as the Global Voice Ambassador. So Ganesh, what does this GVA mean to you personally? And what is your connection with the saving life concept and also learning and spreading awareness on first aid and CPR.
Yeah, sure, Kanan. I need to thank you for that. I will start with your story actually. So somewhere I think in the year 2016 or 16, I think you have been running like 42 kilometer every weekend on 42 weekends, consecutive weekends, and 42 different places to spread the awareness of personal safety and how do people react in case of emergencies. I think to me personally, like you were the great inspiration for me because the concept of life-saving emergency procedure I learned from you, and that's where I got this bug coming to me. Like I think it's a great topic that we have to improve awareness in people around in India, especially. So that is one thing I just want to say. And then I met Jagadish from Alert. He is part of Alert initiative for a few years now. He's a good friend of mine, running friend of mine. So I met him in Chennai once, and he also spoke to me a lot about what Alert has been doing in this space. And so we got connected a lot in this. And I ran, in fact, Alertathon running event in Bangalore in 17 or 16, whenever it happened. I don't remember which year, but I ran that event. And yeah, so I also have taken CPR training personally, CPR training. And so I think I take pride in being part of Alert Group and being a GVA, Global Voice Ambassador. What this means for me is, being able to, raise awareness in people and communities around me, and making sure more people learn this and being able to save lives in case of emergencies. It's a very, very important topic. Yeah, I take pride in being part of Alert and being a GVA. Yeah.
That's incredible. Thank you so much for kind of taking out the very important message and also sticking right to it. It's really important that each one of us have this, even realizing that we all have this opportunity to learn something new as an endurance athlete. Every single day you wear your shoes, you step out, there is some learning opportunity. And of course, learning a skill of saving lives is something that all of us need, and also very importantly, our next generation. If you can bring your family, your friends, your circles, your running community, and just imagine that your 200 runners associated with your running club, all of them are trained on first aid and CPR skills. That also supports the mission that Alert has been spreading, training one person in every single family on first aid. It'll be a great progress that all of us will make together, I guess. Now, one last question. During this 5 days event window for Alertathon between 9th to 13th of September. So what are your plans, Ganesh? What are you going to do? I know that the participants can walk, run, and ride, and you're also enthusiastic about cycling. And I've seen recently that you've started biking. So what exactly are your plans, and how are you going to spend this 5 days in September?
Sure, Kannan. So I think this event is happening on 5 days, 3 days weekdays and 2 days weekends. My plan is, weekends I may do a long rides, probably. Both days I will do long rides. And weekdays, because it's difficult to find time with our work lives, I will probably do evening run or walk, probably. Yeah, and I will do something on the other, all 5 days, probably. Yeah.
Okay, so you're going to do all the 3 of them.
Yeah.
And that's, I think, the more the merrier. As endurance athletes, I think it's also fun. And when you're connecting that fun with an important cause like saving lives, and connecting emotionally with the cause, and also cheering the entire community around you, you've been a source of inspiration. I know that you've been also an author and a writer. You keep sharing your wonderful stories, and I'm sure your association with Alert and what you've been doing, the good work that you've been doing in spreading the message, is something that I would like to read more about. Okay, and thank you so much for joining me. Take the pleasure in being part of this same journey that we both have taken. I would love to see you soon and talk to you soon, Ganesh.